In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clear or delete browsing history for the Maxthon browser. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic and you are watching my video for today, I do understand the fact that you are facing a difficulty clearing off your browsing history from the Maxthon browser. Don't you worry, watch my video till the end. By the end of the video, you are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face. And before I proceed any further, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. Hit that bell notification icon and always share my content. So let me dive straight in. Now, in order for you to clear or delete browsing history from the Maxthon browser, the first thing you need to do is open the Maxthon browser, right? So you may have an icon on your desktop like this. Okay, you could click on that icon, or you could hit the Windows and the R button on your keyboard, as simple and easy as that, and type in Maxthon, M-A-X-T-H-O-N, and hit the enter button. Now once you do that, the browser opens up and you have access to the browser to delete history. Now once the Maxthon browser is open, you basically have two options to clear off your browsing history. Option number one is simply by going to the menu button, okay, or going to the menu. You click on the three buttons out here, you get a drop down like this, you get an option to go to the history page. Okay, so you hover your mouse here, you get another menu pop up out here, click on this option, history. You get to this page, and once you are on this page, the next thing to do is simple and easy. Click on clear browsing data. Once you do that, you get to this page on which you get this pop-up. Now you have an option to clear off browsing history for the last hour, or maybe last 24 hours, or last 7 days, or last 4 weeks, or all time. See, supposing you want to clear off everything for all time, everything, passwords, autofill options, and all those things, you need to select everything out here if you want to clear off everything from the browser, and click on OK. Once you do that, all your browsing history would be clear from your Maxthon browser. Option number two to clear off browsing history or delete browsing history from the Maxthon browser, it's very simple and easy. You can simply go ahead and hit Ctrl and H from your keyboard on your laptop or your PC and get to this page directly. Simple and easy, right? Then you again, like option number one, click on clear browsing data according to your choice. If you want to clear browsing history for all time, you select all time and click on OK. If you want to clear browsing history for the last 4 weeks or 7 days or whatever it is, select the option out here for the time range and you click on OK. Once you do that, again, your browsing history gets clear. So by clearing off your browsing history of the Maxthon browser, you not only would have a fast and efficient browser, you would also have a smooth computer system, because browsing history also blocks the cache on your computer system, so that could become challenging at times in relation to the speed of your computer. So these were the two simple, quick and easy methods to clear off or delete browsing history of your Maxthon browser, and I hope I was able to provide some value to you through my video for today. If I did, please give my video a thumbs up and post a nice little comment. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will definitely come back with another interesting video similar to this. You take care till then. Peace out.